Hello bachcho, let's read this question. The question says, here the question consists of two statements, each printed as assertion and reason. While answering this question, you are required to choose any one of the following four responses. यहाँ पे हमें assertion and reason दिए गए हैं and four options दिए गए हैं. So हमें correct option को choose करना है according to assertion and reason. Here the assertion given is Hardy-Weinberg principle states that in the absence of disturbing influences, gene frequencies of large populations of sexually reproducing organisms do not change, provided that matings occur at random. And reason is the disturbing influences include mutation, gene flow, gene drift, genetic recombination, and natural selection. The four options given are both assertion and reason are true, and the reason is a correct explanation of the assertion. Option B, both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not a correct explanation of the assertion. Option C, assertion is true, but the reason is false. And option D, assertion is false, but reason is true. So, first we'll understand the key concept of this question. Here, the key concept is Hardy-Weinberg principle. So according to this principle, it states that in an infinitely large population, or in specific sexually interbreeding population, जहाँ पे mating is random. So unless ऐसे population में unless कोई genetic या बाहर से कोई disturbing influences जब तक नहीं affect करते इनको, तो इनका gene frequency constant रहेगा. Unless no disturbing influence affects it. So, इस statement के साथ it also proves the genetic equilibrium of the population. Gene frequency क्या होते हैं? It signifies that how common or how much amount of the genes are present in a population or in a species also. So, Hardy-Weinberg law के हिसाब से sum total of all gene pool should be equal to 1. Condition है कि कोई बाहर से disturbing influence ना आ जाए. Now, what are these disturbing influences? These includes migration, mutation, genetic drift, etc. अगर ये डिस्टर्बिंग इन्फ्लुएंस आ गया तो वो पॉपुलेशन फर्दर इवोल्यूशन प्रोसेस की ओर आगे बढ़ जाएगा. उसमें कोई स्टेबिलिटी नहीं होगा, वो अपने जीन लेवल में चेंजेस आ जाएंगे एंड एक न्यू स्पेसीज का भी फॉर्मेशन हो सकता है. सो हार्डी-वेनबर्ग लॉ में इवोल्यूशन एक्सेप्ट नहीं हो रहा है. सो नाउ लेट्स चेक द क्वेश्चन अगेन. हियर असर्शन में कहा गया है कि Hardy-Weinberg principle states that in the absence of disturbing influences, gene frequencies of a large population of sexually reproducing organisms do not change provided that matings occur at random. ये सही स्टेटमेंट है. Reason: the disturbing influences include mutation, gene flow, genetic drift, genetic recombination and natural selection. ये भी सही स्टेटमेंट है. However, ये assertion को justify या complement नहीं कर रहा है. ये बस उसका एग्जाम्पल बता रहा है कि जेनेटिक अगर बाहर से कोई डिस्टर्बिंग इन्फ्लुएंस आ जाए तो हार्डी वेनबर्ग प्रिंसिपल लॉ या लॉ काम नहीं करेगा. सो बोथ द स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट, बट reason is not the correct explanation or justification of the assertion. So the correct option here is option B. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not a correct explanation of the assertion. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.